Hey guys, we got Laskö up, but we're just playing outside right now. And let me turn the ceiling fan off. Yeah, you remember this is my two-bladed Laskö. You remember the buzzing ceiling fan video for last night? That was actually from January of 2015 when I forgot to put it in public mode. So, here's my ceiling fan here. I started off from low speed, but it actually goes reverse for some reason, but I don't know. Just stop it and it goes in reverse. See? It's on. Well, I don't know. I started from low. Well, one speed is broken on the ceiling fan. Get it buzzing. It's plugged into the wall, as you can see, it's right there. Yep. I took something off of it. There's only a fan chain on it now, and I put a stronger capacitor inside of it because it was originally very weak. If this is a Laskö ceiling fan, put it down in the comments, okay?
Give me that back.
So, put it on high now. You've probably already seen it. Yeah, this speed works again. It's weird. Alright, I'm gonna stop it because I hear buzzing. For some reason I hear buzzing. I don't know, I just hear buzzing. And now for high. This thing is very quick and high. This is a pretty good ceiling fan. This thing was oppressive my air. Hear this. Sounds like a helicopter. Now for the spin down. This thing don't take long to spin down, really, because it's got a chain tied into the motor. You can see a little. Go and as a spin down with the ceiling fan. Yeah, that was the ceiling fan video yesterday. I'll put it to the end of what the news was and stuff about the ceiling fan being installed in the laundry room, but I accidentally hit the blades, but yeah, for some reason this ceiling fan's reverse switch is jammed up. I'm gonna show you where it's mounted. Here's my backyard door, and here's the ceiling fan, and here's my gazebo. So let's turn it, reverse it. For some reason you can't, but it's jammed with dirt. That's high. I wanted to mount to the camera.
Can you move the fan?
Right here.
Move the fan. Can you move the fan?
No. You don't move your bike. Okay.
Let's just stop.
And now on medium. Low. The chain sparks sometimes. It actually does buzz. It's not photoshopped or nothing. Because I have a computer, but I don't do photoshops. I only do the ending videos that are added to the end and stuff. That's all I do. And I do closed captions in some videos. I want you to watch to see how this fan reacts on high. Whoa. It stops now. This thing wobbles. Alright, let me stop the fan. Here's my phone. Okay. Put it under the ceiling fan. I'm not sure if it's actually viewing it, but put it in high, it wobbles. to watch the ceiling fan news now, I'll put it up right now. So if you wanted to watch it right now, you can. But there's still more of the video. And the ceiling fan was just spinning. Hi. And let me get the ceiling, my phone on so I can do the ceiling fan. There it is. Here's the motor. I don't know if it's actually safe to do that, but I'll show you the fan motor when it spins. You can't see that. But here's the reverse switch, which is right there. But I know my ceiling fan, I wrote all over it when I was about 7 years old, maybe. A ceiling fan. See, I got my ceiling fan, and then I drew the hole. Let's go. Take a loopy loop right there. Go down, and down, and down into the plug with duct tape on it. So, put it even more in. Oh, ceiling fan. It's business, baby.
And turn the fan off.
Okay. I'm gonna have to end the video on the 9-minute mark. And let's turn it to low, see if it really buzzes.
I did it!
Mounts the camera somewhere where you can see it. But where should I mount it? Over here would be fine. But it's more ceiling fan. Can't really see it too well, huh? Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to get one of these wood blocks right here to mount it on. I don't know. Or get a wire nuts. Jeez, I don't know if I'm recording it. Yeah, I was alone over it. Can't record the ceiling fan. Yeah, it really is buzzing lots, guys. And there's a mark. If you want to watch the video of the news, watch it now. So Carla Michelle is going out to chill in the hot summer day. Bye-bye.